let's talk about LED products. That what kind of LED products are used in market, and what products are available in market. So, sir, please tell me about some LED. What is LED, and what kind of products are available in market?
Okay. Uh, I need to give a small background about the lighting. If you talk about, when we were kids, basically, or maybe you were born during the CFL time, I think, right? But we were born in during the time where we used to use tungsten wire. Those they used to call incandescent bulbs. So typically, those were the times actually where 60-watt bulb or the 90-watt bulb or 100-watt bulb we used to use. Those are yellow light bulb basically.
Okay.
So if you imagine the rate population is rising, the rate the construction work is happening, houses are increasing, the rate we are using power, we cannot really match the demand and supply, because supply is not enhancing at the
Yeah,
same level,
absolutely.
but demand is rising, and that's how the CFL has come into. Now CFL has reduced a lot of power consumption, which has typically replaced your 60-watt bulb by 15-watt CFL.
Okay.
But at the same time, CFL has environmental issues; those are not biodegradable, and it has harmful effects on the body also. But definitely, energy conservation was more important. So people moved to CFL, and today I talk about tungsten wire. I heard of that there are 9 lakh units of bulbs are still made every month in India, and which is a huge.
Yeah, it's a huge ratio.
Right.
Yeah.
And likewise, the CFL thing is happening. But now the LED has actually changed the paradigm, because LED lights are typically electronic light. The LED means light,
Light.
emitting diode.
Right,
So
right.
it's a diode which is being used into electronics. Now, which is revolutionized by some people from Japan who've been Nobel laureate, actually given Nobel Prize for this technology. So they used to be green before, now it has become cool white. So you can
Okay.
see these products, these are cool white products basically.
Yeah.
So we have warm white also in that, but the cool, this white technology actually really commercialize these LED products. Now, wherever we have CFL products, whether those are concealed lights, the downlighters you see in the false ceilings, the 2x2, typically which are used in the hotels. You talk about the street lights, you typically metal halide or sodium lights. So these are all being converted into LED now.
Okay. So, sir, these are the basically street lights.
These are all street lights. Yeah.
Okay. And,
And then we have floodlight. This is being used for sports complexes.
okay.
Or
So these are the
so this is
lights which is used in sport
and the
complex.
different variants basically starts with 9 watt and goes up to 200 watt. So there are depending on the application, we actually develop these LED products.
Okay, so depending upon the applications, LED products works. As you have seen that there are street lights and there.
And one of the most important thing which I would like to tell over here, these LED products are independent of solar. So it can be run by AC and it can be run by solar, right? In the case of solar, it makes more sense because LED consumes far lesser energy. So it makes more sense. But in case of AC light also, because AC is also the normal power plant is supply, that is all equally important for us. So you can save a lot of energy by using these appliances. So if you look at this torch, which is typically you can see in your houses, and this is lantern, which kerosene or the CFL torch. So this all has been replaced by LED, and which can be actually charged by the solar panel. At the same time, we have a dual capacity. It can be charged by AC also, right? Now there is a component which is called solar charger or the driver. So in case of driver, basically AC controls, the driver controls the AC supply, which gives constant current and constant voltage supply, right? Constant current and constant voltage, because your LEDs, if you run on the constant voltage and constant, so it gets better efficiency, right? At the same time, if you look at in India, there's a lot of fluctuation. The power fluctuation is between, the registered power fluctuation is between 200 volt to 260 volt. So if you talk about CFLs, their life reduces because of those fluctuations. Slowly, the life goes down. But in our case, the driver actually makes our system immune. So what it does is it absorbs all those harmonics, those variations, and give you constant in current and voltage.
Okay. So the main idea is you have to use LED products with solar products because these are more energy efficient,
So
right?
I would suggest, when we talk about energy management,
Yeah.
I think the products are one thing, but the management of energy is another thing.
Yeah.
So when we talk about energy management, what does it mean basically? Largely, energy management means that how individual really contribute towards power generation, power consumption. So it's the power generation and then the power consumption, and at the same time, how you can really bring a lot of quality in your life without compromising on the quality of life. You can run more appliances. So you need to really bring down the demand. That is possible through LED products, and then you have to inch up the supply. That is through power panels. So you are getting electricity board supply, but at the same time you are supplementing it with the power panels.
Yeah.
So the solar energy. So that way you are actually enhancing your producing more energy. So
Producing-
like state like Gujarat, which has been called that it has 24 hour supply,
Yeah.
and that became possible because of the power plants, solar power plants, and more awareness towards LED products. So I think that today industries have more than 8 hours power cut, which is huge. So your industry should run for 24 hours, but you have power cut, and those are running on the DG sets, and then you are actually consuming diesels over there.
Yeah. So the solar panel and LED products are very energy efficient, and these are some LED products. Sir, I have one more little
Sure,
question
please,
about you.
please.
Means that how can we test this LED products? Means any kind of method of testing means that are working correctly or not?
Right. See, there are various levels of testing for different products. There are industrial products, then the industrial uses, and there are domestic uses product.
So
So,
let's talk about a little bit domestic users.
Domestic
means-
users.
Yeah.
So domestic users, typically visual thing is there. You just need to plug in the light and see it. So that is the first thing.
Okay.
But if someone wants to really take in the bulk, so there are meters over there that is called lux meter,
Okay.
or the lumen meter, or the wattage meter, or the power factor meter. So they can take specifications from the vendor and actually use these tools, and they can ask the vendor also to verify whether the product they are getting is really of high power factor, better color resolution index (CRI), and low THD, that is thermal harmonic distortions. So they can really check on those things.
Okay, so these are the parameters like TSD, thermal harmonic distortions. We have to check these LED products. Let's have a look on these products.